Good morning all. Today we will discuss commutative frequency curve or Ujjayi. So firstly for the Ujjayi means we have to draw commutative frequency curve. So commutative frequency curve. So firstly commutative frequency we will find. Suppose class intervals given 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, and 40 to 45. And frequency given 3, 6, 10, 8, 4. So for the Ujjayi, firstly we have to find the Ujjayi also a graph. We are representing our graph of frequency with the help of Ujjayi. So before we did previous topic we did histogram, now Ujjayi. So how to draw in Ujjayi? So for the Ujjayi firstly we will always find cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency we can add our number frequency next, then again next to number, and again next, again next. We can start from below also and starting point also. So how to find the cumulative frequency? So first number as it is we will write. Now we will add 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 10, 19. In next we will add 19 plus 8, 27, and 27 plus 4, 30. So this way we find commutative frequency. We can start from below also 4 as it is then. And we start from first 3 as it is, then 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 10, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 27 plus 4, 31. So this way we find commutative frequency. So cumulative frequency, if asked in the question asked, suppose how many less than 20. So less than 20 you can check no number, so 0. Less than 25, check less than 25, less than 25, 3 numbers. So this way also we can write. Some question ask how many number less than 25, less than 30. So this way you have to find firstly cumulative frequency. After cumulative frequency you can find this. So again less than 30, then you can check less than 30 and 9 numbers. Less than 35, 19 number. So if find how many number less than this, greater than this, so firstly you have to find your cumulative frequency. After cumulative frequency you can find your numbers. Not directly you will write, because we are adding number here. 45, so you can check 31. So this way we find. Next is our Ujjayi. So what the Ujjayi? How to draw our graph to Ujjayi. So for the Ujjayi, class intervals given. So this order also continuous always. If not continuous, then already I told you how to find your continuous data. Marks are 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, and 25 to 30. This is given. Okay, and frequency also given 7, 9, 12, 8, 6. Suppose this is frequency. So what is your first step? Cumulative frequency you have to find. So you know how to find cumulative frequency. First number 7 is 7. Then we will add this 7 plus 9, 16, 16 plus 12, 28, 28 plus 8, 36, and 36 plus 6, 42. So this is our cumulative frequency. So after cumulative frequency we have to draw the graph. So for the graph we have to draw x-axis and y-axis. this is origin. Okay, so this side cumulative frequency and this side our marks. So simple graph scale we will take. We are taking graph scale. Now here 5 to 10, 10 to 50. Now you know how graph is taken. So if we are 5 we are taking, so zigzag line also we can do, and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 till we will take our highest value 30, then till 30 or 35 your choice. Now this is cumulative frequency, so 7, 16, 28, 36, 42, any table you can take which is easy for you. I am taking simple 10, 20, 30, 40, highest 50 I am taking. So now for the x-axis and y-axis, so now you have to take the y-axis. For we have to take, how to take now our values. We will not take directly these values. Firstly, taking upper class limit x-axis and cumulative frequency y-axis marks. We will mark our points. So how to take our points? We will take upper class limit to cumulative frequency. Okay, upper class limit is 10 and cumulative frequency 7. So we will make our coordinates 10 and 7. Upper frequencies only taken, not lower frequencies. Clear? With cumulative is. Now upper is 15 and 16. So next graph, our coordinate 15 and 16. So this way we have to take. Now mark this point on the graph. Next is upper is 20 with cumulative frequency. So in hurry, don't take frequencies. Okay, only take upper with cumulative frequency. Then 25 with 36 and last is 30 with 42. So how to take our coordinates? In the ogive we need our coordinates to draw. So how to take coordinates? Upper class limit to cumulative. Upper this, upper this, upper this, like this. So these are our coordinates. Now we will freehand. Okay. So we will now draw our coordinate. X is your first value, y is your second value. This is first value. This is already you know this is coordinate first value always x, second value y. So x value first is your 10 and y value is 7. 7 is below 10. So x is 10. So it will come here, near about here. This will come. Then 15, 16. So we can write here 10, 7. We have to write coordinates always. Next is 15, 16. X is 15 and y is 16. 16 is near about here. 15, 16. Next is here 20 to 28. 20 is x, 28 below 30. So near about here. We have to draw in graph 15, 16, 20, 28. Okay, then 25 to 36. 25 is this, 36 is here. So 25 here, most probably here. In the graph it will come exact. So when you bring in graph, so carefully you have to draw. Next is 30 to 42. 30 x is 30 and 42. This is 30 and this is 42. Okay. Now free.
So now we will take our lower limit. So lower limit is 5 here, lower interval 5. So first coordinate we will join with 5, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth by freehand. We will not use scale, freehand we use. So lower limit, lower class interval we will start 5, then 5 to first coordinate, then second coordinate, then third coordinate, then fourth coordinate, so on. We always do like this. So this way we draw our ogive